In this video, I'll show you two ways how you can take a screenshot using only one hand or without using these buttons on the side on your Samsung Galaxy A05 and A04 and A15 and 25 and possibly other Galaxy A series phones. So to do that, we are going to go to settings here and find this accessibility at the end of the settings. Click on that and click interactions and dexterity basically, and select this assistant menu. Okay, click allow. Then as you see, this small widget gets placed on your screen. If we click on it, we can take a screenshot very easily indeed, and obviously using only one hand. And you can move around this small widget anywhere you like. So click on it and take a screenshot, and screenshot gets saved. Then also, if we click again, we can see even more options here. So we can control our phone basically using one hand extremely easily. Then the second method is again by going to your settings. Okay, let's turn this off first, and then go to advanced features basically. Okay, and click motions basically here. Okay, and at the end, actually on some other phones it might be locked a bit different, but it will be in the same menu, and it will be called palm swipe basically. So make sure you find option called similar to this and click enable. So now we can actually take a screenshot using basically our hand by swiping it like this, and we need to actually use this part and simply swipe it like that, and as you see, a screenshot gets taken basically. So it also works both ways really, and yep, and that's pretty cool indeed. So this is how you take screenshots these ways on the A05, A04 and A15 and other Galaxy phones. If this was helpful, make sure to hit the like button. See you!